Okay, next stage of your regular cleaning is we're going to use some all-purpose cleaner in a bucket of warm water, about 40 degrees Celsius. It's important that you use Brullen and dairy approved all-purpose cleaner to ensure that you break down the bacteria in your machine sanitary and safe. Can't just use any all-purpose cleaner in the back of your restaurant or kitchen, it won't work with dairy products. As you know, dairy is quite sensitive and needs to be cleaned properly. So make sure your handle's up, the machine's off. We pour the warm soapy water into the mix hopper. Careful not to spill it. And again, it's around 40 degrees Celsius. That'll do. Now inside the freezer cylinder is going to be still part of the frozen soft serve in there. So to melt that down, to make it easier for us to clean, press the beater button that I showed you before behind the handle. And that turns the beater assembly. So that'll wash inside there for us while we're washing inside the mix hopper. So you get your cleaning scourer, take out your agitator, the tube's already out, and just clean inside the hopper here, around the post, through the feed hole, using your Brullen brushes, down the mix hole like so, and clean that out in there. So you want to get all the mix out, make sure we break that bacteria cycle. So once you're happy inside there's clean, you come back around the front. I'd probably spend more time doing that if it was in a live restaurant. Leave the wash button going and hold the handle down. It's coming out milky because there was some soft serve still in there. You hold the handle down till all the mixes come out. Keep the beater button going, you'll see at the screen, and that'll push all the mix and all the soapy water out of the freezer cylinder. Get yourself mixed up. You see it's still a bit milky, so what I'll do in this case is flush another bucket of warm water through it. You don't have to, but it makes cleaning it easier when you start pulling it apart. Yep, press stop, but don't leave that running dry. I'm going to flush one of the buckets through it. Again, just to make it easier for myself while I'm cleaning it. Oops, don't do that. Making my own mistakes. Oh gosh, don't do that. That's why these videos are good, to show you what not to do. So push the beater button again, and we'll run the next bucket through.